What is up, everybody? It's Jack here. I'm a Shopify developer here at Section Store, and in this video I'm going to be going over how you can add social proof, just like these reviews up here, to the Shopify product page of any Shopify theme. You've probably seen a page with a similar customization like this before. It looks great and instantly makes you want to interact with the page. That's the power of these social proof sections. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add the social proof section to any Shopify product page, just like this one up here that says 1,500 people love it. This is a simple Shopify theme customization. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your conversion rate and build credibility on your store. We're going to use pre-written Shopify Liquid, a custom section, all styled with CSS, so it's super fast and doesn't require any coding. It's going to display the review count, profile images, and verified badges in this clean, professional layout, and it fits perfectly with any theme. In 5 minutes, you can learn how to add the Shopify social proof bar that shows the reviews right on the product page, add the customer avatars and verified buyer icons, style the section using the theme variables for consistency, and make it all responsive so it looks good on mobile and desktop. If you're building your own Shopify page, learning theme development, or you just want to increase Shopify sales and trust, I share tutorials like this every day on store design, e-commerce optimization, and conversion strategy. Let's get into it. To do this, we're going to be using the Shopify app Section Store. Section Store is a component library of over 600 different theme sections that plug into any Shopify theme. For this specifically, we're going to be using the conversion blocks. This is 13 proven and studied conversion blocks specifically for the product page that increase customer conversions, get more people hitting that add to cart button and checking out. You can get access to all 13 of these conversion blocks and use them as much as you want in your theme for $8. Today, specifically, we're going to be using social proof, and we can go to the theme editor by using this edit in theme button or swapping right to the theme editor. Once you use the edit and theme button, it'll take you here to the product page. We're going to come to the product information section, use this functionality to add a block, come over to apps, and then scroll down until we find the ones from Section Store. We're going to select the social proof one to add it in directly to the product page. As you can see at the top here, here's an example I set up earlier. These are really easy to customize. We just click on the section name and it's going to give us the overall section settings. The first setting is use carousel. So what this is going to do is it's going to rotate through the images of our customers here. If you just want to show the same images without this animation, you can turn this off. Next, we have thumbnails. So we have 5 options to upload images here. And this is where you're either going to upload a stock image, an image of yourself, an image of a customer that's left you a review, or maybe a brand logo. Update the images here. You can add whatever you like. We have a size toggle, so you can make the images bigger or smaller depending on your theme. Below that, we have a text field. This is the text that's going to show up here. Davey, Rosie, and 1,500 others love it. You can replace this with your customer names and the amount of reviews you have, along with, of course, custom names, and add this tick icon to show the verified badge. Again, we have styling options for this, so you can update the size and pixels, and you have a text color wheel so that you can change the text to any color that you like. This tick symbol is going to automatically populate this verified check mark, and we also have settings here to make the size bigger or smaller, and a color wheel so you can style this with whatever color you like for that verified check mark. Below that, we have appearance settings, so you can have an optional border around this. So you can either have no border, a dotted border, or a solid border. And then we have a roundness toggle, which is rounding on the corners. Right now I have this at 100, so maximum roundness on the corners, but if you turn this down to 0, it's going to remove the roundness from the corners completely and make this a square instead. Another color wheel here to pick the background color for these reviews. Below that, we have a padding section. This is vertical and horizontal, and this is basically just how tall or how wide the section is. Generally, you want to leave this pretty much default, but you can change this right up. For example, if I want the section to be super wide, you can see 100 pixels, or I can turn it all the way down to make it extremely narrow. Same thing for horizontal. You can adjust this to adjust the width of the section. Finally, at the bottom, we have clip to top of wrapper. This is relevant if you're using the other conversion block, wrapper, which boxes this product page information. You can make sure this sticks to the top of that block. If you want to move this somewhere else other than the very top of the product page, for example, we just click on it and drag it. If I want to move this above the buy buttons, we just click and drag in the theme editor, and it's going to reposition it on the page. Once you've made your customizations, you can preview it using desktop and mobile in the theme editor, or these 3 dots on the left-hand side with the preview option if you want to see it on the actual web page. When you're happy, you can go up and hit save. And there we have it. In about 3 to 4 minutes, we've added this completely custom reviews summary for social proof to the Shopify product page. This is great for increasing conversions, building customer trust, and getting them to click that add to cart button and check out their products. If you have any questions about this or any of our other conversion blocks, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, keep an eye on this channel and the app as we release more sections like this every single week.